What's up, dudes? Just a quick video. Had a lot of people asking about the Del Sol seats, how I mounted them. They do not bolt up perfectly, but it is very close. Here's the headroom. You're looking at maybe about 4 or 5 inches. They don't sit much lower. People are asking me, and I don't feel like they sit much lower than the stock seats. After getting them bolted up, they actually line up very well. They don't sit crooked. I've seen seats, people put them in there a little bit crooked. These sit well. Let me show you what I did, and it was a very easy process and how you can do it. First one, leave alone. Bolt this one up. Work on your second one, which would be this. This one was easy too. I just had to move a hole. I just drilled a new hole a little bit over to the side. They still function perfectly fine with the sliders. The rear, also the same. All you had to do was drill a little bit of hole further back, hammered this down a little bit so the washer sits flat. This is the tough one. This one you will need to, I removed it completely, pay no mind to my welds, flux welder. It's solid, but they don't look that clean. Removed it completely, drilled out spot welds, pushed it over about 1/2 inch, added a small piece of metal to space it, just because I wanted the height, and welded it together. This is the most difficult one if you want to get these seats installed into an EF hatchback.